Hi viewers, see I try to give explanation through textbook as usual. So this is the text part. This is the 6th class science book. This is the heading. What do animals eat? What do animals eat? So I read the lesson and explain the concepts. So Karthik has a pet dog. He loves playing with it by tossing it a ball or biscuits, even sometimes some small leaves and twigs. So Karthik has a pet dog. He loves playing and tossing it a ball and biscuits. Even sometimes he gives leaves and twigs. So he observes the dog. The dog sniffs and catches the biscuit in midair and eats it up very quickly. Eat up very quickly. While it just holds the ball in its mouth and only sniffs the leaves. If the dog is even milk, it first sniffs it and then it licks it up quickly. So what we are observing here, initially the dog sniffs, the vasana చూస్తుంది, then licks it up quickly. So anything, ball or whatever it is. So what is the process here? First it is sniffing and licks. So next, Karthik often wonders what the dog is trying to find out by sniffing. So what is Karthik is thinking? What is happening when it is sniffing the object? So like that, why? So here, why do dogs first sniff food before they eat it? This is a question here. So what do animals do? So we are discussing about this picture. So next, in the previous chapter, we talked about our own food and different varieties eaten by us. So this is just he is discussing what we discussed in previous chapter. So here there are a wide varieties of animals in the living world, and they too eat a wide variety of food items. Let us see how animals eat their food. So here a list as you observe animals around you every day, but don't forget to observe animals wherever you go. So here we are in the textbook, we have one activity. So what is that activity? So activity activity 1. So what it is? Taking in food. So this is activity 1. So you can see many animals in your surroundings. Discuss about them with your friends. Make a list of what they usually eat. What they usually do to find their food. Do not be in a hurry to complete this table. Keep adding. So here one box is there. This is the first animals evolved about 600 million years ago during the late precambrian. So this is the important for TET or for DSC, whatever it is. This is important point here. So what is that? The first animals evolved about 600 million years ago during the late precambrian. So this is the important point here. So first animals means మొట్టమొదటి జంతువులు evolved about 600 million years ago during the precambrian, late precambrian area. So this is the first point. So we can underline it. So you also underline this point. So next, so we have the table here. Serial number, animal or bird, what they eat or drink, how they find food. So like that you can fill this table. Sparrow, what they eat, worms and grains. So how they find food, looking or seeing. So dog, bones and bread. So sniffing, how they find food, by sniffing process. Like that you can write some animal or bird name, what they eat, how they find food, how it is finding the food. So like this I completed up to activity 1. Thank you.